Very good evening, friends. Hope you have enjoyed the day. This is the presenter Sujoy Sarkar of Ekal Yatri has Sujoy. This is an exclusive video specially meant for the tour programs. That is the itinerary till February of the trips that I'll be doing solely with my Hercules Street Rider. This December from 5th to 18th, I won't be going outside Bhubaneswar, but within and around Bhubaneswar, I'll be traveling both with the Hercules Street Rider and with the vehicles when my father will accompany me. Due to his ill health, I can't take him in my Hercules Street Rider, though he is insisting me that I should carry him on the Hercules Street Rider. That is next to impossible. So the trip with the Hercules Street Rider starts, will resume from 20th December to the Ma Tarini Temple of Ghatagaon, and that is in the Keonjhar district. We say here as Kendujhar district. So I'll be covering the districts of Khordha, Cuttack, Jajpur and Keonjhar. The Ma Tarini Temple is about 186 kilometers from the place of my residence in Bhubaneswar, and for that I have planned the trip for 7 days. 3 days towards the Ma Tarini Temple, 1 day at the Ma Tarini Temple, and rest 3 days for my return trip. And the journey will be from 28th December till 26th December, followed by a visit to the Sri Sri Neelamadhava Temple, Contilo, that is in Nayagarh district, and I'll be covering more than 100 kilometers from the place of my residence. And if time permits, in that trip I'll be also have a glimpse of the Nayagarh town during my return trip. And the trip is from 8 January 2022 and 9 January 2022, the return trip. The Contilo trip will be via the Bagmari, Kalapathar Road and Fatehgarh Road. Prior to this trip, your Ma Tarini Temple visit at Ghatagaon will be via Pani Koili of Jajpur district. The third trip in this session will be at Satyapada via Malati Patapur, which is more than 100 kilometers from the place of my residence, and the trip will start on 22nd of January, and the return trip will be on 23rd January via Malati Patapur and Pipli town. And towards Satpada, that will be Pipli Bypass and Malati Patapur. My uncle is sitting beside me. कौन कहते आज्ञा ଆପଣ ଚା ପିଇ ସାରିଲେଣି? ଚାହା ପିଇ ସାରିଲେଣି ଆପଣ? ଓ ହଉ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମିଶିକି ପିଇବା। ହଁ ହଉ। After the Satpada trip, I have a program for Sri Sri Harishankar Temple of Balangir district that will be via Nuagaon of Nayagarh. This will start on 5th of February 2022 and the return trip will be on 9th of February. So the journey is from 5th February to 12th February 2022. The Harishankar Temple in the Balangir district is about 393 kilometers. So this will be my longest journey after the Ghatagaon, which is about 186 kilometers from the place of my residence in Bhubaneswar. That will be very enjoying with thrills and fun also. So these are the travel plan. I mean to say that my next travel plans after my 5 trips of Puri, Konark, Kapilas, Chilka and the recent trip of Takatpur. Hope that you have all enjoyed my trips and shall be enjoying my future trips solely with my Hercules Street rider. One thing I need to mention that all the trips are subject to the favorable weather condition. In fact, that is suitable for the journey or the travel, and there won't be any night travel. There won't be any night travel with the Hercules Street rider. From 4th December to 18th December 2021, I'll be in Bhubaneswar and will travel in and around Bhubaneswar with my father, Baba. And if he is with me, I won't be traveling with my Hercules Street rider. Instead, I'll use vehicle and will be visiting the significant places of Bhubaneswar like Nandankanan Zoological Park, Udaygiri, Khandagiri, Dhauli, shopping malls, educational institutions including NISER, IIT, AIMS of Bhubaneswar, along with Orissa University of Agriculture and Technology and Utkal University. In addition to this, the recreational parks will be visited with my father, and that I will try to complete between 5th December till 18th December. Then from 20th December, I will start my travel with the Hercules Street rider towards Ghatagaon, Maa Tarini Temple in Keonjhar district, covering Khordha, Cuttack, Jajpur and Keonjhar districts. I repeat, there won't be any night travel during the entire trip because the distance that I'll be covering right now will be somewhat more than the previous trips of Puri, Konarak, Kapilas, Chilka and Kakatpur. So friends, join with me in my travel on Ekal Yatri hai Sujoy. I am the presenter Sujoy Sarkar. Have a pleasant days. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.